Good morning, students. In the last video I have explained about the budgetary control and I have completed with the budgetary control chapter, that is the last unit of a management accounting. And in your management accounting only one chapter is remaining, that is fourth chapter, that is fund flow and cash flow statement. So we'll discuss about the first I'll explain about the cash flow statement. So what is cash flow statement? So cash flow statement, it is a statement and which shows the changes in the cash position from one period to other. So here the cash flow statement means it is a statement. And why we have to prepare the cash flow statement? In order to know the changes in the cash position from one period to other. Maybe last month what is the cash, and this month what is the changes in the cash, or maybe last year what is the changes in the cash, this year what is the changes, means what is the cash position, is there any difference between last year and this year cash position. In order to know the changes in the cash position, we require the cash flow statement. So with the help of cash flow statement, we will come to know the changes in the cash position from one period to other. And this statements helps in short term financial planning. So here the cash flow statement, it helps in the short term financial planning. Short term means here the company or the business, it can plan only up to 1 year, not more than that. So it helps only for the short term financial planning. So the cash flow analysis, it gives importance to the inflow and outflow of cash rather than dealing with the working capital. So here the cash flow analysis, it gives importance only to the inflow. Inflow means how much cash we are receiving, and outflow how much cash we are paying. So it concentrate only on that, it will not concentrate on the working capital. So working capital means the capital which is required for the day-to-day activities of the business. How we will get the working capital? From the current assets, when we deduct the current liabilities, we will get the working capital. So here the cash flow analysis, it gives importance only to the inflow and outflow of cash. It does not give importance to the working capital. So this is about the meaning of the cash flow statement. Next is the definitions. So what are the various definitions? First one is about the cash. So here the cash comprises cash on hand and demand deposits with bank. So here the definition of cash means cash on hand, whatever cash we have right now with us, that, and the deposits, demand deposits that are there with the bank. So that is the main definition of cash. Next is the cash equivalents. So here the cash equivalents means these are the short term and highly liquid investments which can be readily converted into cash without a decline in their value. So here they are the short term highly liquid investments. So liquid means which we can easily convert into cash. So they are so cash is it is highly liquid investments and which can be easily converted into cash without a decline in their value, without any decrease in their value. Easily we can convert these instrument equivalents into cash. So what are those examples of cash equivalents? Are treasury bill, commercial paper, short term deposits, marketable securities. All these are the examples of cash equivalents. When we sell or treasury bills or anything, we will get immediate cash. So that's why these are called as the cash equivalents. So this is the definition of cash equivalents. Next is the cash flows. So what is the definition of cash flows? Here the cash flows are the inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents. So cash flow means here flow means either it can be inflow or outflow of cash and cash equivalents. When there is a change in any transaction, there will be a flow of cash. Say if the transaction, when we buy, there will be a outflow of cash. When we sell, there will be an inflow of cash. So if there is any transaction, so at that time there will be a flow of cash, either inflow or outflow of cash. If the effect of the transactions results in the increase of cash and its equivalents, then it is called as the inflow of cash. That is the source of income also we will call. Then if the result of if any transaction, the result of that transaction in that is decreasing the cash, that means there is a outflow of cash. So here there is a inflow and outflow of cash. When we receive, that is inflow of cash. When there is we pay, that is outflow of cash. So this is the definition of the cash flow. Next is the definition of cash flow statement. So according to Khan and Jain, cash flow statements are statements of changes in financial position prepared on the basis of funds defined as cash or cash equivalents. So according to Khan and Jain, the cash flow statement means these are the statements. So here these statements, it includes the changes in the financial position prepared on the basis of the defined cash. If there is an inflow and outflow of cash, or here the cash flow statement, it will show us the changes in the cash position from one period to another period. So that is the definition according to Khan and Jain. Next is according to the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India. So it defines cash flow statement as a statement setting out the flow of cash under distinct heads of sources of funds and their utilization to determine the requirements of cash during the given period and to prepare for its adequate provision. So here according to the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India, it defines cash flow statement as it is a statement and it is setting out the flow of cash. It shows the flow of cash under different heads of source of funds, from which and all sources we will get the cash under different heads. So what is the flow of cash? It shows that, and their utilization, how we are utilizing that cash, where we are spending that cash, to determine the requirements of cash during the given period. And it shows the requirement. It shows us what is the requirement of cash, how much cash we require during a particular period in order to make, and it helps to prepare the provision, how much cash we require for the next year. So in order to do that, the cash flow statement, it will help the business. So these two are the definition of cash flow statement.